Today what I am going to show you is something which everybody comes across this problem of anti-aging, ma'am, stress ho gaya. And youngsters, they all come up with this problem. And the reason being is lifestyle of today. जो आज की हमारी lifestyle है, stressed out life. So we can't say that we can look after it completely, but at least we can keep up to a certain mark on it. Today there is a very interesting treatment come out, which is, we call it as an RF treatment. Now RF means radio frequency. Like if you all are beauticians, you all must be aware of having ultrasound machines which work on sound waves, right? Now that technique is one step behind now. What we've come up with now is, in short we say RF, which is the electromagnetic spectrum radiations which oscillate. Means जैसे हमारे radio vibrations आते हैं and we can hear our radio. Same we have with this radio frequency come out. And the very good part about it is it's a non-surgical. Means it is completely safe to use. इसमें कोई मेडिकल या कोई केमिकल नहीं है जिससे हमें डर लगे कि हम अगर ये ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे तो ये प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, वो प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. It is a very nice non-surgical, and the very good part is that it is approved by the FDA. Okay, so that's a very good point for us for our therapists to be using it. And I will be starting as normal. We'll be doing the cleansing, we'll be doing the deep cleanse, and we'll follow it up with the machine. Obviously, when we do a facial, just make a lie down and get her ready with the towel. As we do a facial, it is very, very compulsory for us to do cleansing, and plus we follow it with a deep cleanse. Now, why do we make a person do cleansing and then a deep cleanse? It is nothing but we have to get the skin ready for the treatment that has to be done. You cannot let somebody just lie down and say, okay madam, हम आपके ऊपर treatment start कर रहे हैं. We need to get the client ready for it. So first we do a very basic manual cleanse, and then we will follow it up with a deep cleanse. Now this machine can be technically used with other machines as well, but since we have a limitation of time, तो मैं आपको collaborating with other machines कैसे करना है, I won't able to show you that today. Well, if you join IHB, that is the very good point of us, that we don't teach something कि जैसे कि अगर आपने मुझे बोला कि इनको pigmentation है, तो जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना step A, B, C, D करो and you're done with it. We don't teach things like that. हम आपको ऐसी चीज़ें सिखाएंगे कि जिससे you can mix 3 to 4 machines and do it using your techniques. Usually क्या होता है, जब कोई ब्रांड आपको कुछ बेचता है, सो जैसे नहीं जी आप हमारी खाली ये मशीन यूज़ करोगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं. बट इफ़ यू जॉइन IHB एंड यू डू विथ अस कोर्स, you do Sedesco with us or you do SIPPAC with us, the very good benefit in that is that you will able to see how we can maneuver and manipulate and invent our own facials. That is what Sedesco in depth or the IHB in depth will be teaching you. Okay, so this is what we are trying to promote to you and see how it works. But well, that cannot be shown today to you because of time limitations. But I will just do this RF machine and we'll show you how it works. So first, we always have to get the client ready with a manual cleanse. Now manual cleansing we do is because your client has come from out, right? And she has to, she's come up with all the dirt and dust on her face. So we do a manual cleanse. Now the RF that is going to work, it's going to work for an anti-aging. And the very good part in this is that you will see instant results. It's not that you have to wait and see how your client is doing for 4 sittings, 5 sittings, फिर आपको वो results दिखते हैं. But इसमें ये एक अच्छी चीज़ है कि to a certain level, if you're between the mid-30s and 50s, you will able to see a good result in it, right? If she is 60 plus, 70 plus, then again because of the age factor, so the sagging of the skin is more, so you don't get to see a result better in that. But of course we can do it on those clients, and with that we have to give them a certain kind of a home care and a dietary प्लान. डाइटरी प्लान मीन्स कि जो उनको खाने में भी हमें उनको बताना पड़ेगा कि आप क्या खाओगे. वेन एवर यू डू अ फेशियल एंड स्पेशली वेन यू डू ट्रीटमेंट फेशियल्स, ओके, दीज आर कॉल्ड ट्रीटमेंट्स. दे आर नॉट समथिंग कि आप एक बेसिक फेशियल कर रहे हो. अगर आप ये ट्रीटमेंट फेशियल कर रहे हो, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट ओनली अ ट्रीटमेंट फेशियल बाय इटसेल्फ कभी काम नहीं करेगा. You should always be aware of giving a nutrition diet as well to your client. Means उनको इसके साथ होम केयर होता है. होम केयर में भी खाली आप प्रोडक्ट्स उनको दो, लेकिन उनको उनकी डाइटरी पे भी आपको उनको बोलना चाहिए कि what you're supposed to eat and what you're not supposed to eat. Because in today's stressful life, you know, we forget all that. हम वो सब चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं कि हमारे हेल्थ के हिसाब से क्या करना है. हम सलोन्स में जाते हैं और सीधा बोलते हैं यू नो माई स्किन इज़ लुकिंग बैड, और वो थेरेपिस्ट से वंडर्स दे वांट टू क्रिएट, विच इज़ वेरी सैड. वो नहीं हो सकता है. अगर आप यहाँ पर ट्रीटमेंट करें और बाहर जाके दुनिया भर का यू नो यू ईट योर जंक, देन दैट पोर ट्रीटमेंट इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग टू यू. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल थेरेपिस्ट, you should always give a guide of dietitian as well to the client that you are treating. Okay, so today again, what is this RF is going to be a mini lift. We call it as a skin lift treatment, and it is more said as a skin correction treatment as well. Yeah, so we will see how we follow up. So first we start with the basic cleanse. Have you removed the cleanse for me? Now please be very careful. Whenever you remove products, it should never be directly taken as a jar and put a hand in it. That is not at all a hygiene way. Always take it out on a bowl. Yeah, and then there was a spoon. Just take it. Yeah, I want the trolley in front. If you are uncomfortable, मुझको बता देना, ठीक है? And please be very careful with your client, because your client is not a mannequin. Please remember that. आपकी client एक mannequin नहीं है. Like mannequin means हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? A पुतला. Okay, so like जो कोई लेटा है और आप उसके ऊपर you know you're just doing some massage, or in a lay language हाजमगिरी जो बोलते हैं. Please respect your client when she comes to you, and most important for a beauty therapist, very important, is the client care. Okay, so total respect should be given to your client when you do it, and attach the parts to that. So this is, I'm just doing a basic cleanse to the client. Ma'am, are you comfortable? Yeah, please let me know if you're not. Yeah. Now in a basic cleanse, we do not go to a very lengthy technical stages. Your technical stages of cleansing comes only when you do deep cleanse, right? I need some water, baby. Give me the water. Anybody needs to ask me anything at this stage, please do so. We are using a very soft cleanser, because when we talk about anti-aging treatment, we do not use harsh cleansers on the client, because your client is aged. So when we say your client is aged, that means your client has got a very thin layer skin, because as you grow older, your skin layers start thinning and your skin becomes sensitive. So we use a cleanse which is a gel base. You do not take any enzymatic means enzyme kind of products on such clients because the skin is very, very sensitive. So we just take a normal face wash, and you can pick up anti-aging brand product. That is up to you all, whatever you wish to use as an anti-aging. There are a lot of ranges available nowadays, so we can use that, but no harsh product to be used on your anti-aging client. Yeah. Give this sponge. Can I have one more sponge? See, when you're cleaning the client's face, please be very careful that, I'm just showing you a demo. I've seen people doing this and rubbing. It's very sad. Please don't do that. You have to be very, very gentle. Okay. You okay, ma'am? Just okay. Okay, now we're going to do toning to the face. Now, why do we do toning? Can anybody just let me know? Okay. Anything else? That's it. Yeah. Okay. So that's what we say. Now, what do you mean by pH of the balance? Yeah. What is that? Everybody knows pH of skin, pH of skin. So what do we mean by pH of skin? What does pH of skin mean to us? pH of skin means the potential hydrogen that is available in our skin. Our skin by nature जो होता है, what is the pH? What is the pH of the skin? No. Okay. So pH of skin by nature, by growth, it is between 4.5 to 6.5. Now when we use any kind of a wash, a face wash, or a gel base, or a cream base, or any base, we disturb that pH. Okay. So we go more than that. We go more than 6. Those are those heavy washes that we use. So obviously अगर आपने वो यूज़ किया है क्लाइंट के फेस पे, तो वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए उनका वो स्किन इरिटेट होएगा, क्योंकि आपने एक चीज़ को डिस्टर्ब कर दिया. तो उस चीज़ को लेवल लाने के लिए हम ये टोनिंग करते हैं. Now I have done toning, you must have seen in a tapping movement. Yeah. So this is called constriction and vasodilation directions we call it. Means आप जब ऐसे हिट करते हैं, तो जो वो पॉज है, वो जो खुला होता है, वो हिट करता है. जैसे आप you go out and suddenly when you feel cold, right? So you shiver and you get these goosebumps. So this is how the skin becomes. It shivers and the pores start closing. So this is called the tapping we do. And then with this help, the minute it's closing and opening, the blood circulation which is underneath, it gets moved. It starts moving. Because of that, the pH gets balanced. Okay, because you just can't say we are balancing the pH. There has to be a way of doing the balancing. So this is how the pH is balanced. Please, if somebody doesn't understand, as I told you, I'll try Hindi में भी बोलने के लिए, but if you understand it, it'll be very nice. तो ऐसे हमारा pH जो डिस्टर्ब होता है, वो हम उसको बैलेंस करते हैं, बिकॉज हम जो नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करेंगे वो इससे भी हैवी होएगा. सो जब हम नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इसमें डालेंगे तो वो और हैवी करने के लिए वो स्किन और इरिटेट करेगा. सो वो स्किन इरिटेट ना हो, वी विल डू दिस टैपिंग मोमेंट एंड वी क्लोज द पॉज. नंबर 1. Second very important is we are rebalancing, or we say restore the pH. Restore the pH of the skin. We bring it back to 4.5 to 6.5. Okay, so that the skin is leveled. Now some people who have got oily skin, right? How do we balance their pH? That's another question. You will use a toner which is only an astringent. You will not use a toner which is a floral in it. Please remember. Then only by tapping moment you will able to constrict the pores back. So this is very commonly asked questions to me कि मैम आप oily skin का क्या करें हम? It's a very simple thing. Floral toners not to be used. We have to use astringent. Now astringent also has to be to a level of 60 to 70%. उसके नीचे वाला नहीं. The one which is below that is used by dermatologists. And remember, we are cosmetologists. Unless you don't hold a degree, you are not even called a cosmetologist. Okay, so until you don't hold an international degrees or a good diploma degree. So please try to be very careful when you're doing the pH balancing of an oily skin and a normal skin. So this is what I have done. Now for deep cleanse, I'm going to use a scrub. But now, as I told you, this is an age. Yeah. Rose water as a toner, if you see, it doesn't have any aromatic product in it. Okay, it's just a rose water. Rose water is only good for a cooling effect. Now, if you want somebody to get a good result, so we will use floral toners. You can use that, but you need to add an aromatic oil. Now, if you are not an aromatherapist, so you cannot even add those oils. So it's better you go to a branded, unless you do a diploma in your aromatherapy. Then we can sit and make our own blends, right? But that cannot be done if you don't hold a aromatherapy degree. So lay rose water is not a product that can be say that what I was talking of is rebalancing it. You can just use it as a normal coolant toner, but not a rebalancing toner. Yeah, there's nothing wrong in using it, but then again you are just doing a plain toning. Whereas I have to do this because I'm going to use the RF machine, right? Any machine, whether we use high frequency, we use galvanic, we use RF, we use any lifting machines, anything. The minute we come to machine, it is a treatment we are doing to a client, right? So according to that, your first step that you take is to start in that form, that you begin it with a treatment, not that कि किधर से कुछ भी उठाया और आपने लगा लिया. Don't do that. Yeah. Now I'm going to take a scrub. As I told you, my client is not a young client. I cannot take a very heavy product. Why? I just said it. Aged skin, okay, but aged skin is because the most important, it's the sensitivity. As you grow old, you do come across the sensitivity on your skin. Yeah, that's by nature. So you have to be very careful. So I'm taking a product which is going to be an enzyme product, but it's going to be a very mild enzyme. So if you see the product, it is on a gel based enzyme. You get enzyme products which are in a powder base, cream base. Those products are very heavy. I am using something which is on a gel base so that it doesn't irritate the client's skin, right? Now when we use enzyme products, we do get good results if we do a steam on it. Okay? Now why so like this? आप जब enzyme client को लगाते हो तो आप क्या लगाते हो? You all only put enzyme? No. Enzyme powders you all use? No. Nobody uses that. It's a very good enzymatic products you get, which is very good to be used on these clients, on these aged clients. Now what is enzyme? Enzyme is pepin based product. What is pepin? Papaya. हमारा जो पपाया होता है उसका जो स्किन होता है उससे ये प्रोडक्ट बनता है. अगर आप देखेंगे पाइनएप्पल, पपाया आप एक रेगुलर बेसिस पे खाते भी हो, राइट? तो जब डॉक्टर आपको बोलेगा कि पपाया ज़रूर खाओ, पाइनएप्पल ज़रूर खाना चाहिए. Why? Anybody will be able to tell me कि why does the doctor say empty stomach